project Livestock Productivity and Resilience Support Project is aimed at improving the productivities of livestock farmers in Nigeria as a whole, and most especially Oyo State. And more importantly, we are here today to sensitize stakeholders on gender-based violence and how to prevent sexual exploitation, abuse, and harassment. Of course, we all know that in the course of running a project, there are many stakeholders, and the project affects different people in different ways. So it is important for us to sensitize all stakeholders to know how this project affects them and how, whether you're a male or you're a female, nobody is disadvantaged at any point in time in the course of project implementation. And that's why we are here. We have a lot of stakeholders here, traditional leaders, our health service providers, gender-based violence responders. We also have even our security outfit here, who are always there to ensure that there is calm. Also, we have our local government leadership, led by the chairman of the local government. Everybody is here, and everybody has been well sensitized on the roles that they have to play in this project.
I want to appreciate the coordinator of the program for bringing this program to our local government. It's an opportunity for us to know better about the agricultural issue, this conflict resolution, and especially the gender-based violence issue that was discussed today. And we appreciate the program for coming back again to our local government. All the stakeholders that were here today will go back home and sensitize more people about this program. So we appreciate the state government for bringing it to our local government.
Ọ̀la àwọn èèyàn ló yẹ pápá tíjọba bá fẹ́ faraàlú ká má lò lòkulò. Awareness gidi ni, ìlanilọ́yẹ̀ tó dáa ni, inú wa dùn sí.
Ní Akinyele, we have over 1,740 communities. So a lọ láti lọ sensitize àwọn èèyàn wa nípa ọ̀rọ̀ agriculture, nípa ọ̀rọ̀ security, nípa ọ̀rọ̀ gender violence and sexual abuse, then nípa ọ̀rọ̀ security. So àwọn ètò tó dára ni ẹ jọ̀ọ́, mo fẹ́ rọ gbogbo àwa community leaders l'Akinyele àti ní Oyo State as a whole. Ẹ jẹ́ ká sensitize àwọn èèyàn wa. Ẹ jẹ́ ká dẹ̀ fi yé wọn pé if you see something, you should say something. Tẹ́ ẹ bá rí nǹkan, ẹ sọ nǹkan, ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ sókè, ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ jáde. Ní tó lè ràn wá lọ́wọ́ nìyẹn.